Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make AI video for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's tool, we're going to use Pippit AI. You can access the website for free. Just visit the Pippit.ai. Okay, once you visit the website, you can sign into this website with your Google account. And this is my account. Once you sign in, you will get credits for free, guys. You can also earn more credits by doing the task right here. And then to make AI video, you can use this feature, avatar video or AI talking photo. But for today, I'm going to use the avatar video. This is one of the popular features from Pippit AI.
Hello, I'm your avatar. You can choose.
Okay, and you can choose the template which has been available here, or you can create your own avatar. If you want to create your own avatar, you can select my avatar. And you can choose video to avatar or photo to avatar. I'm going to choose photo to avatar. You can click on this plus icon to upload your photo. I'm going to use this one. Okay, done. Click on next. And you're going to name your avatar. And you can change the voice. I'm going to choose this one, guys. Click on confirm. And you're going to click on submit. Okay guys, and the avatar is ready. Going to play it. And I'm going to apply this avatar to my video. And then you can edit the script. Okay, then you can choose the caption style. I'm going to choose this one. Once you're done choosing the caption style, you can click on export video. Okay, and then you can choose either you want to continue to export or keep rendering. And better if you choose keep rendering, so you can create optimal quality. But I'm just going to continue to export. And we can choose the resolution and the frame rate and also the format. Okay, now the video is being exported. I'm going to go back to the home. Okay, the video has been downloaded and then I'm going to play it.
You don't have to figure everything out today or control what hasn't happened yet. Just focus on.
And okay guys, that's how we can create AI video using Pippit AI for free. Don't miss out guys, visit the link in the description to try Pippit AI and see how it can make your life easier. Thank you so much for watching and bye!